Assalamu alaikum everyone and hi to all. I am back and also I'm creating different video again. Now today I will create the video about code.org online. It is very beneficial for the kids. And last time I make a video yesterday about how to get a MIE certificate, expert certificate. We click here. After clicking, I will write the code.org. After writing this one, you will sign in. You have ID inside that one, Google, Gmail, and also Facebook and Microsoft. You can continue with it, but not for the kids. And the other one, you can create your email address there also, because I have ID Microsoft. I created. Now, how you create a class? First, you know about what type of course you will provide to which student for class 1, KG, or 2, 3, or 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 class or O level. You will click here, create a session. Okay, now the different type of how do you want your student to log in. For kids 4 to 8 age, it will be click on the picture, and the other one 9 to 12, it will be secret words, and the other one personal login for the 13 onward. You will click here for the kids, and after that you will write the class. For example, I am going to write class 2T and grade 2, and you will select the course. You select this one, C, recommendation of date, yes, 2021, and drag this one down, and you will read the instruction step of things. Okay, after that click on save. Now class will be created, and you see that one login information is here. And now I want to insert the student. I click here for add. After adding this one, the first one, name, age, gender, picture, password, and action. We click here, and first we will write the name. I will write the name first. 8-year-old or 9-year-old. Gender and age. Now after adding this one, it will create picture for it, right? For password. Now this first one for the login card, second one for the parents. We click here, and also I will click the login also, both, right? Okay, now after clicking this one, you will see you can send to that thing to the parents also, and you can share this one with the student only, right? Now I want to go there, the other tab or the browser work for the student, right? Because student I already created. You can create different student here, 20, 30 student you can, right? Now I click here for the new browser, and we close this one, close the other one. Now first you share the picture and that one, name with the student, code with the student. You click here, which one? This one is the code of that particular student. No need of login or password, or that one that student will be there. No need of any login or email there, right? Directly he or she will be work. First unplug the activity, There's some video you will find. The student will be watch that one and after that continue, right? And finish the unit. Now after that, we will continue this one. After continue, I will finish again. Now activity will be there after some while. Press OK. Now you will see here Angry Bird reach to that one. Simple that one, you will drag down these both and press run. Okay, done. Now we will continue this one. Again, if need other step, let's see. Now I want to check the progress of the student. How will check? Click here. If you click progress, click on view of section. Class 2T. Now this is the progress. One student only, first, second at a time. This one level, this one is standard. Now let's see down. Now it is showing that one completed, perfect, and this type of things, right? It is showing here. Now if you want to remove the class, how you will remove? We click here for all section. I want to remove this student from that. Here we click first this one. Again go back. If you click here, no, you can't delete this section. Edit section detail, view progress, manage student, print login card, certificate, achieve this section. But I want to delete this section. How we will delete? Click here student one. First you will blank that one. After blanking that one, you can easily delete. We click here and remove the student. After removing the student, code is there. We'll go back. Now you can easily enter the delete this section also. You click here. Now you can see. Okay, thank you very much. Subscribe my channel, and inshallah I will make further 2 or 3 videos more for it, right? Okay, Allah Hafiz and take care by yourself. Write the comments in comment box and subscribe my channel.